Hi everybody, today we're reacting to another request. Waylon sings Sledgehammer on RTL late night. Hope you guys like it. Before I get into this, over the last few months I've had quite a few people requesting me for him to do his, the song he did in Eurovision. The reason why I did not react to it is because basically every year I host a Eurovision party and I knew he was going to be in it. I was so excited. I was telling all my friends at my party, I was like, you know what? All my subscribers, well, a lot of my subscribers really like me reacting to this guy, and he's a really good singer. And when I saw him, yeah, he didn't win. Let's not talk about the winner right now, but because I'll be annoyed. But I think it was really good. Like, he was really good. I really enjoyed it, and I was just like really confused that he was doing country because he's not a country singer. So it was strange for me, unless he is, and then I'm totally unaware of this. But yeah, so sorry I didn't react to that, but I'm going to be reacting to this. So yes, hope you guys like it, and here we go.
Waylon!
Waylon! Go Waylon!
Dat is ook zo'n ding. Zal je altijd bijblijven, dit geluid.
I don't know what you're saying. Yes! So much fun, honestly. Oh my god, he sounded like he was dying for a minute. I was like concerned. I was like, are you okay?
You can have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You can have an
That is what is going on in that picture.
Going up and down around the bend. You can never bump a car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Let me be your sledgehammer.
Backing singers are having so much fun as well.
Tot zover RTL Late Night. Top 1000 concert. Alle tijden van Veronica. 24 november met Waylon. En maandag ben ik weer fris en fruitig gezegd. Tot maandag.
Just want to say bye or something. Is it like the last song before the show ends or something?
What you sure can do.
That was actually kind of weird. The end where you see Rembrandt and there's a shadowy hand and you don't know whose hand it is. Yes, hope you guys like that. I loved it. I love Waylon. Always love him. And yeah, I'm really sorry I didn't react to his performance on Eurovision, but I watched it live, if that helps, and it was amazing. So yeah, hope you guys like that. If you want me to react to anything else, please put it in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe.